everyone, today I've got a nice Excel Systems sound decoder for an SD40-2 to try out for you guys. And I just happen to have a nice SD40-2, and this one I had a chance to clean it and lubricate it before, so I'll go right into the decoder install. I'm going to start with the shell removal. For the shell removal, I use the box method. Now, as you can see, the two decoders look very similar. So I need to first remove this one, which is a DCC. Sorry, it's just a normal DC circuit board. And then, unlike the SD80 and SD70, I have to unsolder these two ears and put them on to my my decoder. Also, the instruction recommend putting tape on the top here to prevent shorts, so I'm going to do just that. Now I'm going to bring in my circuit board, and I have to make sure both of these little tabs are under the ears, so that way I won't have any contact problems for the motor. That seems to go in there pretty easily. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Now, of course, the only way I can test this is to bring it put it on the track. So it started working immediately when I put it on the track. So what I did, I turned it off by using F8 3 times. Now I'm gonna restart it for you guys. Red light. Bell. So it's working very well. Change direction. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to be putting the shell back on. Should go back nice and easy. And now it's time to run some trains. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.